Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here's a beautiful conch, fully warm filled conch. This conch is fully warm. You can see warm, 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 fully warm filled conch. Very beautiful conch. Use a full and full blessings of Lord Shiva. This conch can be wear as a pendant, having. This is a small tiny conch, totally full of warm pattern. Unbelievable conch. Such a conch you can never get like this. It's the first time I getting, never again like this. Beautiful, full of warm pattern. Any direction you can see full warm. By having this conch with you, you can get full blessing of Lord Shiva. You can get full blessings of Lord Shiva. Such a beautiful, amazing conch. Amazing conch. Totally home filled conch. All naturally home filled conch. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.